Oh yes. Hidden Surprise. That's my nickname. Sam Hidden Surprise Star. Look at these things. These are fucking clutch as fuck. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I thought someone was talking to me. Alright, I need to get on these things badly. Holy shit, these are amazing. Sorry for shitty camera work. I'm just trying to hide the fact that I'm filming. Yep, that's not sketchy at all. Shaftway. Ooh. Oh shit, look at this guy. Oh, it got a mad mod. Oh, yes, it's coming, it's coming. Oh shit. Should be. Go down?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's going down. Yeah, this is the only one that works anyway, so you might as well.
What floor are you going to?
1
or 2?
B.
B? Okay.
Yeah, it better be going down. We're aiming for
No,
2.
they got a couple more floors, but it's got to go back
9.
down.
It's going to 9 and that's it.
Yeah. Probably somebody up here.
It most likely.
Things are a bit sketchy, but they're cool. Oh, damn.
Nobody here? Ready?
No.
Y'all doing like construction or some shit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wallpaper.
Rent it. Oh, wallpaper?
Well, we do wallpaper here.
Uh-huh. Ouch, jeez.
Is this thing gonna stop on that reflector?
If you pushed all them buttons.
I pushed 2, 1, B. He go to 1, we go to 2.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is where he was before.
I don't know. I like one of the buttons was going flashing, the other one didn't light up. I'm like, okay. As long as these things don't crash, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah.
And frankly, kind of looks like the type that might.
Yeah, it's happened.
Oh yeah. Hopefully not on these.
6.
Yeah, because they push the
They push the button and they're like, yeah,
so
fuck
they don't
this.
see one lighting up, they push the other one, so it's just gonna fucking stop everywhere.
Yeah, they're just, or they just push it and they're like, yeah, fuck this, and then go take the stairs or whatever.
Yeah, see? We're gonna start now we're on 4.
Probably 4.
Sonic's,
It
Now the
feels
doors
like
just
we
don't-
passed.
Yeah, it's 4. Look, yeah.
mind if I just get a shot of this? I'm into elevators too, so. This shit's rare as balls, so. I heard these are getting like ripped out or some shit.
I don't know. The other one had some of those don't work.
Damn. Some of those buttons don't even press.
Yeah, this one does.
I think they pop out. Maybe they just plop out or whatever. Oh, I think that's what it is. They just pop out when it's at your floor.
Hey, let's go.
There you go.
Oh, shit. Am I in your way, Ben? Ah, bro.
Close the door. How did you get in? Oh my god. What happened to my homeboy? What happened to my homeboy? Who's that? The apprentice. He's in Santa Rosa. Oh wait, the one here that was here earlier. Oh, he got base. What do they call it?
Not outbound, I guess.
What? Going down. They switched.
Is that one?
Rotate. That's a rotate job. That rotate job site? Yeah, no shops.
I gotta go up.
So you
I had to head down and up.
different shop.
Yeah, you can stay on. This
So he gets
different job.
laid off from our company and goes to different.
Ew, it popped out. Oh, sorry, bro. Going up, what floor?
6.
Gotcha. And you? 1? Just getting a documentary of these things before they get ripped out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm super into elevators, and these are rare as balls. Oh, damn. You guys work for Schindler?
No, these guys do.
Are these getting ripped out or something?
Yeah.
Really? Do you know what's happening with the old panels?
Old panels. These push buttons?
Yeah.
Going in the garbage.
Mind if I grab it?
Scrapping them? Maybe.
Nice, man. I'm just into elevators, so these are freaking rare.
Vintage.
Yeah,
Bring
cool.
me, bring me a box of donuts or something. I might be able to have it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I was actually, yeah. What do you like, glazed or strawberry or?
Wait for you guys.
All right, I'll see what I can do. See what I can do. When are the panels getting taken out?
That one, I have no idea. Once we have to get the elevator running first, and then we'll start.
Damn, not even running.
So someone hung the car and took the machine and the ropes off of it.
How come? Mod?
Yeah, it's getting
Oh,
modded.
okay. Oh, okay.
It's getting modded. Well, someone else hung it and demoed the machine and hung it up in ropes, and then we're putting in a. So he came behind it, but we're putting in a new one.
I'm guessing these used to be Pacific before they were Westinghouse, or were they Spencer?
I have no idea.
Okay. Damn, these are crazy though. What year were these installed, do you know?
No idea.
50s.
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 O'Connor and
Those
Moffat.
machines.
O'Connor and Moffat elevators.
Gotcha. Yeah, these are Selectomatics, which we got a few of in Chicago, but none as cool as this one.
What do you do?
I'm into elevators.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Friend, buddy who works here
Uh,
told me about these. Figured, told me to get on these before they get ripped out. I guess all the buttons pop out now.
We're always
Yeah.
hiring, so.
It should. So the button should pop out.
Look at that.
That's cool. Yeah.
All right. Have a great day, man.